Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another LookFantastic unboxing video. I unboxed my very first one of these last month and you guys seemed to really like it, so I'm here again unboxing the December box. It's a little bit late, but you guys, our postal service was like ridiculously slow in November, December. We got a lot of Christmas gifts late, like that family sent to us, so if you guys were in the same boat as me, let me know. It wasn't just like North Carolina, it was like everywhere. So sadly I got this late, but I know it's not the company's fault, it's just the postal service's fault. It is what it is. Anyways, if you're unfamiliar, LookFantastic is a monthly beauty subscription service box. It is UK based, which is super exciting because there's some brands in here that I've never heard of before. This is kind of cool because it's new stuff, at least if you've tried a lot of UK makeup, maybe not, but for me, it's new stuff. So I will link everything you need to know about LookFantastic in the description box down below, how much it costs, where you can buy it from, all of that good stuff. But we're gonna just open this and see what's in it together. The box is really nice, by the way. Like, these are the kind of boxes you can save and like store things in. Really nice. It's cute for the holidays. I love the little lipstick on here, the perfume bottles. Merry Christmas with love from Beauty Box Team. LookFantastic. Cute. So there's that. It has a little booklet in here, but this does tell you what's in the box, so I'm not going to look through it unless I need some help on describing the products, which usually I do. Gosh, there's cute little like confetti paper in it. Okay, first thing I see in here is the Bella Puree Cosmetics. Never heard of that brand before. Pro Concealer Palette. Oh, I don't know that I've ever had a concealer palette before. Okay, I'm excited. Very interesting. Okay, so there's a green based here, which is good at canceling out redness. I think, if I'm correct, I think it's supposed to cancel out redness. And then you have a more cool toned concealer here and then a more warm toned concealer here. It looks like this is more for like light to medium skin tones. I wonder if there's different colors with this. If I can find the full value price for these, I will link them on the screen for you, list them on the screen for you. But I've never heard of this brand before. I'm excited. Oh, creamy, nice. Looks like it's nice full coverage. This is really good if you're somebody who is a makeup artist and you do makeup on other people, or maybe you do them on like your sisters or your mom, or maybe if your skin tone like drastically changes in the summertime. Having a palette like this is really nice. So I'm actually pretty pumped to try this. Yay. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Jecca Black. Never heard of that before. Maybe it's Jessa, J-E-C-C-A Black. These are Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for the face. Okay, so it's a highlighting primer. So is that a highlighter or a primer? I guess we'll see. This one's in the color Champagne, so there's definitely different colors for these. This looks more like a facial primer, not necessarily just a highlighter. Oh, no. You know, with products like this, I think you have the flexibility to use them however you want, whether it be all over face primer or just a highlighter to dot on your high points. I would actually probably, for me personally, use this as just like to dot on the high points of my face, because there is a little bit of glitter in this, but it does blend out very nicely on the back of my hand. It makes the back of my hand look really nice. It smells good. Made in the UK. There we go. I love how much like makeup-y things is in this box. So the next thing is a double-ended eye brush by the brand Brushworks. Again, another brand that I personally have never heard of before. I love getting brushes in subscription boxes. I don't know what it is, but I love it so much. Ooh, I like how thick the handle is on this. This would make a really good all over. You know what? This would also be a really good for that concealer, because it's big and like kind of thick and soft, and you have your angled side over here. It says it's an eye brush duo, but I don't see why you couldn't. I don't know, this is really cool, and it's rose gold and white. Very nice. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand The Balm. I actually have heard of The Balm before. I don't know if that's UK based brand or if it's US based brand. I guess I can look and see. It says San Francisco, so this is a US brand, but apparently they also sell it in the UK. So this is her there. I don't know if it's her or he. Pedal to the Metal. What is this? Eyeshadow? Pedal to the Metal. Oh, it's a cream eyeshadow. I love cream eyeshadows. I see why they gave you the eyeshadow brush. That makes perfect sense now. This is a beautiful color. It's kind of like a bronze, rose gold maybe? I'm trying to see if there's shimmer in it. I think there is, but it's not like glitter. What color is this? Is there colors? All it says on it is shift into overdrive, so I don't know if that's the color or not. It's definitely like a beautiful rose gold. You see that? It's a really pretty, that would make a really pretty all over lid color. Okay, 2 more things in here and my battery's about to die, so we're gonna be fast with these 2 things that are left in here. So the next thing is by the brand Advent. This is a hyaluronic collagen facial, oh, it's an eye cream. Okay, with collagen stuff in it. Aqua Collagen, Age Radiance. I like getting eye creams. I love anything for my eyes. It's one of the things that I'm most like paranoid about aging fast is eye creams. I've never heard of this brand before. Okay, the last thing in here is in like this cute little glass medicinal dropper thing by the brand Medic 8. This is their liquid rehydration serum. I love serums. This has hyaluronic acid in it, which is always really nice for anti-aging and hydration, deep hydration. It says after cleansing in the morning and evening, massage 6 drops across your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on to absorb before applying moisturizer. Serums have been like my thing the past couple of years. It must be something about like hitting your 30s. You're like, oh my God, give me all the anti-aging. No scent to it, so I'm excited for this. Alright guys, well those are the products that were in my December Look Fantastic box. This was a really good box. I got really good things and I'm really excited for all of it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this product. I was gonna say unbox this video. I hope you like this unboxing video, watching me unbox the box. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, Happy New Year and stay tuned for the January Look Fantastic box. I'm so excited. Yee! I hope you guys are too. And I'll talk to you next time.